Good morning, children. Welcome back to your online classes. Okay, we have completed lesson number 1, large numbers. Today we'll start lesson number 2, addition and subtraction. Yeah, in bridge course, I taught you 2-digit numbers. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So we'll go for, in 3rd standard, you learned 3-digit, 4-digit. So first I'll teach that, and next we'll go for 5-digit. Like the 26-digit, 7-digit. Okay, take out your textbooks and pencil. Okay, in the textbook you should use only pencil. For classwork you should use blue gel pen. Addition and subtraction. Let's recall, on Monday around 8,405 cricket fans came to see the match in a stadium. In the stadium, 8,405 cricket fans, they came to see the cricket in the stadium. On Tuesday, 6,707 cricket fans came. How many cricket fans came on both the days? So both the days, so we should do addition or subtraction. So see here, 8,405. This on Monday. Okay, Tuesday, 6,707. So on both the days, so how many, both the days, how many cricket fans they came in? You should do addition. You should do addition. Okay, children, you should do addition. So how you should do? You will put 5 lines, 7 lines. No. What you should do? 5 in the mind, 7 on my fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 number it came. What will you see? This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. So here 4 digit are there. So here 2 number it came. You write directly 12 here? No. Because your next number it is there. What you should do? Your ones place, this is ones, tens. Ones place you should write 2. This tens place you should put 1 carry. So here 0, 0. What? 1 plus 0 how much? 1 only. So this 1 I'll write it here. 4 in the mind, 7 on my finger. 4 in the mind, 7 on my finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 and 1 carry. 8 plus 6, 8 in the mind, 6 on my finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, plus 1, 15. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. So, for 2 days, both the days, Monday and Tuesday, how many cricket fans they came to the stadium? So, how many they came? 15,112. How many cricket fans came for both the days? Cricket fans. Both days, 15,112 cricket fans they came. Okay, children. So how many cricket fans? Like this only. This is addition symbol. Addition. This is addition. Here they ask the question. Monday 8,405. Tuesday 6,707. So on both the days, how many cricket fans means? Both the days means we should add it. Okay. So now exercise 1. So yes, see, so in all there are 15,112 cricket fans who visit the stadium to see the match. So open textbook page number 106. Exercise 1. In exercise 1, 4 sums are there. Okay, I'll do 2 sums. 4287. 4287 plus 2360. In your book, see, in your book they have given textbook like this, no? See, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. This why we have left to put 1 carry. If 1 carry not comes, we leave it blank. See, 7 in the mind, 0 on my finger. So the answer will be 7. 8 in the mind. Here one carry no. Don't put one carry here. Here only one number it came. 7 plus 0, 7 only. So here no carry. Okay. No carry over. So count it. 8 in the mind. 6 on my finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. Because we have counted, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, one carry. So in tens place, 4. This next number, you will put one carry here. Okay, children? Where you are counting, that only you should write the 2 number comments here. Next number carry over here. See 2 in the mind, 3 on my finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 1 you should count at last. See 2 in the mind, 3 on my finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 1, 6. 4 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 4, 5, 6. So you got the answer 6,647. Yes, copy down this 6,647. Three, 8, 7, 5, 2, 8. Yes, in your textbook it is this question. 5 in the mind, 5 in the mind, 9 on my finger. After 5, 6, 7, 9 fingers you should open. 5 in the mind, 9 on my fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 number it came, 14. 4 will be here. This one carry over there. 7 in the mind, 3 on my finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. See 11 it comes means this one here, this one carry here. 8 in the mind, 8 on my fingers. 8 in the mind, 8 on my fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Plus 1, 17. 1 carry here. 3 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 carry you should count. 1 carry you should count this. Okay children, 1 carry you should count. So 6,714. Yes, next to 2 sums. Shall I give? Shall I write it? Because which is there, no, I'll do. Which is no place to do, that you should do it in your rough book. Okay, 5, 1, 8, 9. Yes, 9 in the mind, 6 on my finger. After 9, see 6 finger, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 means 5 here, 1 carry here. 8 in the mind, 7 on my finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Plus 1, 16. 1 carry. 1 in the mind, 0 on my finger. So 1 plus 1, 2. 5 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 5, see you should, yeah, so many children I know. See 9 in the mind, 6 on my fingers you will open. After in the mind what it is there, no 9. After 9, 10, 11 like that. So many children, 9 in the mind, 6 on my finger, 6 on my finger. You will say after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is wrong. What is there in the mind? No. After that only you should count. See 9 in the mind, 6 on my finger. After 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 like that you should count. So 5 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 2, 3, 4. No, it's wrong. After 5, 6, 7. Ones, tens, hundreds. Hundreds after it's comma. Last sum. Yes, 8 in the mind, 7 on my fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2 in the mind, 9 on my fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus 1, 12. Put carry for next number. You should not put here only. When you count and write this, one number you should write here. For next number you should put carry. 1 in the mind, 5 on my finger. After 5 you will say no. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 7. Only one number it came. Only one number. See 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So one number comes right directly. Don't put carry. You should not put carry for next number because one number it came. If two number it comes, you should put carry. You should count this carry number also and you should add that and you should write the answer over here. So here when I count one number it came. So I won't put carry for next number. 4 in the mind, 3 on my finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. This is comma. 7,725. Let's copy this. Yes, exercise 1 only, second main. Second main. Add vertically. See, your question is 3, 2, 1, 5, comma, 4, 2, 8, 6, comma. Yes. How will you add? What you should do here? Arrange vertically. Horizontal means like this. This is your max book. Horizontal book. Yes, no? Vertically means like this. Vertically means you should write like this. Horizontal means like this. Okay, children? So arrange vertically. Vertical line means like 1. Horizontal means sleeping line. So arrange vertically and add. See. 2 step only I taught you. Yes, no? 1 step, 2 steps here. 1 step, 3, 2, 1, 5. Next step, 4, 2, 8, 6. So, you will add this only. Yes, no? Your third step is there. So how will you add? This is addition. Arrange vertically and add. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So this and all you can practice in your rough book. So start doing now, copying your rough book. Yes, send me the answer now. I have arranged vertically. This is horizontal. Okay, this is horizontal. In the textbook they are again horizontal. You should write in vertical. Vertical you should arrange and you should add addition. So 5 in the mind, 6 on my finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You write here? No. When you add this 2, it came 11. So 11 in the mind. See, you can write it over here. When you add this 2, 11. 11 in the mind, 5 on my finger. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how much it came? 16. 16. 6, 1 carry. 1 in the mind, 8 on my finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in the mind, 2 on my finger. When you count this 2, keep it in the mind. 9. 9 in the mind, 2 on my finger. If you can't remind, Just you be writing down step by step. Afterwards you can erase it, okay? Don't write like this. You should erase it. If you forget, no, so only I am saying to write. See, when you add this 8 plus 1 plus 8, 9. 9 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 9, 10, 11, plus 1, 12. See, 12 it came, 1 carry. See, 12. 2 here, 1 carry. So, 2 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 2, 3, 4. 4 in the mind, last number, 9 on my fingers. 4 in the mind, 9 on my fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Count this, 13. When it comes 13 plus 1, 14. See, this 2, 4. Here, 9. 9 after, see, 4 plus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Plus 1, 14. Here, 1 carry. 3 in the mind, 4 on my finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind, 1 on my finger. After 7, 8, plus 1, 9. Comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. So 9,000. See, 1,000. This is thousands place. Thousands place is 9,000. 1 means 1,000. 2 means 2,000. Like that. This is in thousands place. 9 number it is there means 9,426. Got it? Copy down in rough notebook, children. You can write direct answer in the textbook. Put dash here. 9,426. Your answer is 9,426. You should write like this. Okay. Okay. Yes, second sum. Yes, here 4 digit is there. Here 4 digit is there. Here 1 digit, 3 digit it is there. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit. 1, 2, 3. 3 digit. See, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. This is ones, tens, hundred. So this 3 you should start from hundreds place. See, I write 6025. First number I can write like this. From this, you should ones place what it is there. This is ones place 2, tens place 5, 100. This is hundreds place 3. This you should not write it here. See, I know so many children. 6025 plus 352. You will start from this is 1,000, 100, tens, ones. You will start from thousands place. This is 3,502. No, this is wrong. You should not start from thousands place. You should start from the right side. Ones place 2. See here, ones place 2. Tens place 5. Hundreds place 3. This is correct. This is wrong. Okay. So, like this only I have written. Next is 2, 3, 1, 2. You may think how to count. I'll teach you. 5 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 5, 6, 7. 7. 7 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 7, 8, 9. No carry, only one number it came. Only one number. So no carry. See, 7. When you count this 2, 7. Here count 9. So no carry. 2 in the mind. 5 on my finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 it came. 7 in the mind. Last number. 3 on my finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10. two numbers, 0, 1 carry. 0 in the mind, 3 on my finger. No, say take 3 in the mind, 1 on my finger. After 3, 4. Plus 1, 5. Only one number. No carry because 5, only one number it came. Here no number. You should not count 6, 3, 1, 2. No. See here. So, when you count only these two, 6 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 6, 7, 8. So, you got 8,509. Your answer is 8,509. You should copy like this. You should not start 3 in thousands place. This is hundreds. See, ones, tens, hundreds. So, in hundreds place only 3, tens place only 5, ones place only 2. So, you should copy down like this. Got it? So many children I know. 6, 0, 2, 5. You will write, okay, you start in hundreds place only 5, 2, 2,132. If you copy like this, how will you count? How will you count? This is wrong. You should not copy near. Leave little place and copy in which place? This should come straight. This should come straight. This should come straight. Straight. If you write answer, see for example, if you write answer 9 here, you write 0 here. See, so many comes wrong. So, when you count this only, this straight only, you should write the number. Got it? When I give classwork, PDF classworks, I'll send an PDF now in online. So, when you write how I have written step by step, which line, which I have written, you should copy down like that only neatly. I have written in red pen also, but don't use red pen, children. Use only blue pen. Heading also blue pen, question also blue pen, answer also blue pen. You should understand my handwriting. So I have written some headings and all in the red pen. So you should not use red pen, okay? You should use only blue gel pen, okay? See here, 2 books there. I think, hope you all have did admission, okay? In that 2 horizontal book. Horizontal means, max book. 2 book they have given. 1 book for classwork, 1 book for homework. Classwork, write neatly. You mentioned this is max classwork. That is max homework. So from today onwards, I'll start max homework. We'll give it in the board only. We won't send PDF and all homework. Only classwork will send PDF, children. Homework will give it on the board. So from this and all you write in rough book. You may think, oh ma'am is writing lesson number 2, addition and subtraction, will copy in the classwork. No. What I am doing, you should learn that. Textbook part, you write in textbook only. See this. In textbook, no place to do this and all. Yes, no. So this you practice in your rough book. What I am writing on the board, you should do it in your rough book. Last year book it is there, no? Old book and all. So this and all you should practice in your rough book, children. Which I'll send PDF, no? That you should write in classwork. This and all practice. This and all. You may think ma'am has started lesson number 2, addition and subtraction. Oh, we'll start it in the classwork only. No, children. You should write in rough book, practice book. Max, you should practice book, you should keep and practice this. From today onwards, I'll give homework on the board. Last I'll give that you should write in homework, okay? So 2 sum I have done. Last one you should only do. Yes. Third main. Last sum. You can do, no, children. See, 3,217, 4,321. Last one number is 732. Ones, tens, hundreds. 100 place only you should write. Okay. So third main, missing the digits. Third main, missing the digits. Just I'll write it. So how will you do addition? This is the addition part. So first main also add the following, second main arrange vertically and add, third main fill in the missing digits. So exercise 1 only addition only, because addition symbol it is there, children. So you should do addition. So this is question, this is answer. Okay, this is sum, this is sum, this is addends, this is numbers, values and addends. So you should add this. Sum means find the sum. See, answer should come here. So your answer is 6. Answer is 6. See, this is only answer. Okay, this is answers. So if answer is 6 here, in the box, what number will you write? What will add there? See, 3 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 3, 4, 5. 5 it came. When you add this to 5, here 6 it is there. So if you want answer 6, here 5 it is there, means how much you should add to that number in the box. So 5, 6. Here when you add this to 5 it came, answer is 6. So 5 is here, how much number is here? 1. In this box you should write 1. So when you add this here, when you add this 3 number, answer should come 7. When you add 1, 2, 3 numbers, answer should come 7. Here 4 is there, here 1 is there. 4 plus 1, 5. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 is there, you want answer 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. So when you count 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 is here means how much number is pending? 2. 2. See, 4. 4 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 4, 5, 6. 6 in the mind, 1 on my finger. After 6, 7. See, 4 plus 1, 5. Here 7 it is their answer. When you see 7, here 4 plus 1, balance is 2. Now here, you may think when you had 5 in the mind, 4 on my finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 it came, why? Answer is 2. Last number it may come 2 also. I have given one box here. So when 2 comes here, what it will come? When you add, see here, 5 plus 4, 9. 9, 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. 2. So how much is here? 3. Now you count, see, 5 in the mind, 3 in the mind, 5 on my finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in the mind, 4 on my finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here 2 it is there, in this box 1. So here also see, 3, 4, 5. 5 after 6. So here answer it came 3. Here 4 plus 1, 5. 5 after 7 should come. 5 after 6, 7. Answer is 2. Like that only. 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up to 2. 12 means 3. So you got 12 answer. Now we are also like that only, children. So copy down in this box correctly exactly what number I have written. Okay. So here 3 plus 5. 3 in the mind. 5 on my finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 4 it is there. 8. So 8 after 4 will come. 14 only will come. Okay. When you count this, you got 8. 8 after 9, 10 only. Here answer is 4. So next number 4 comes means it is 14 only. Yes, no? 14 only. So 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, 14. So how many is the answer? 6. Count now. See, 3 plus 5, 8. 8 afterwards, I want 14. 8 afterwards, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6. I have written 6. Okay. So 14 means what you should do? You will write here 1 now. What I told. 1 carry for the next number. Now you should count all this. So now you check how the 14 came. whether this is right or wrong. 3 in the mind, 6 on my finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in the mind, 5 on my finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 means 4 here, 1 carry for the next number. So 7 in the mind, 4 on my finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 in the mind, last number, 3 on my finger. After 11, 12, 13, 14. You will write 14 here, plus 1, 15. 15 comes means first number here, 1 carry here. You should not write in this box. You should not write in this box. 1 carry there. Now here answer should come 8. 3 plus 2, 3 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 3, 4, 5. 5, 6. See, 3 plus 2, 5, 6. I want 8. 6 after 7, 8. How much answer it came? 2. See, 3 plus 2, 5, plus 1, 6, 7, 8. Answer you got 2. See, 2 in the mind, 3 on my finger. After 2, 3, 4, after 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 5, 6, 7, plus 1, 8. So, you should do like this, children. Copy down this number in the boxes. Yes, other 2 sums just you try at home, okay? I won't give that. Next, addition of bigger numbers. Addition of bigger numbers. We have learned addition up to 4 digits now. Yes, no? We have learned up to 4 digits. We shall learn addition of numbers behind 4 digits. Now example, see how many digits are there? 5 digit numbers. See, add 1. See 5 digit. 5, 1, 2, 8, 3. One digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 10,000. 1000 means TH. 10. You should write TH. Okay. So addition. 3 in the mind, 2 on my finger. After 3, 4, 5. Here 8 is there, 0. So what you should do? Same number. Same number. 2 in the mind, 4 on my finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 in the mind, 3 on my finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 in the mind, 3 on my finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. How will you put comma? You will put here ones, tens, hundreds after comma. So in your textbook page number 107, see you got that answer, 84,000. Here if it is here, you will say 4,685. If 10,000 plus 8 is there means 10,000. So 8 means 80,000. 4,000, 84,685. Got it? Like that only lakhs place. See example 108 lakhs place. This is example sums. This is ones place, tens place, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 10,000 large numbers I teach now. 1,000 afterwards lakh. 10 lakh. See here, 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5, 6, 7. Now 7-digit number you have to learn. So do addition 2 in the mind. 2 on my fingers. After 2, 3, 4. 3 in the mind. 3 on my finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 in the mind. 4 on my finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 means 1 year. Carry for next number. You should not put year only. If you put, you can't count. When you write this year, put carry for next number. 4 in the mind, 9 on my finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Here 5. 14 means, see 14, 1 carry. So 5 plus 1, see here 0, it is a 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 7, 3 mind, 7. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1 carry. See 1, 0, 10. 2 in the mind, 5 on my finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how you should put commas? See here, ones, tens, hundreds. So this in place value, this is in ones place. Next is 1,000. 1,000, 10,000. Comma. See, this is 1,000. Here comma. Lakh, 10 lakh. You should not put comma because lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakhs place here. 8 it is there. Lakhs place. 8 lakh. This is 80 lakh. 64,000. How we should pronounce? 80 lakh. 64,164. Okay. Shall I rub? Yes, today's homework. Today's homework. 200 pages. Homework, today's homework, take 200 pages, horizontal book, max book. Okay, now we'll write lesson number 1. Your homework is, see here, max homework only because this is max subject, max homework. Max homework is tables. 2 ones are 2, 5 ones are 1 time. You know 1 t means 1 time. 2 ones are 2, 5 ones are means 2 ones are, 3 ones are, 4 ones are, 5 ones are 1 time. And next homework is exercise 1. Exercise 1. Okay, exercise 1, page number 87. Page number 87. Page number 87. You should write first main. First main, second main, third main. Okay, exercise 1, page number 87. First main is write the following number names in figures. Next, write the number names for the following. Third one, write the place value of underlined digits. Underline also you should do, answer also you should write. I have given, last class I have taught you. See, today's homework, from today onwards, you should write the homework, children. Today's homework is tables. 2 ones are 2, 5 ones are 1 time. This also 1 time. This also 1 time, but you should write 3 mains. Exercise 1, page number 87, first main, second main, third main. Okay, first main, second main and third main. Write this homework. Okay, when we call for correction, you should bring your homework book and classwork book. So from today onwards, homework you should write. before I did addition and subtraction and all, no, that is you should write in rough book, practice book. So from today onwards, you should write homework. Take out 200 pages horizontal book, that is max homework. Tables, 2 ones are 2, 5 ones are 1 time. Exercise 1, page number 87. First main, second main, third main, you should write 1 time. Okay, here I'll end my class. Thank you, children.